Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little friends. Today we are going to draw and color yummy, colorful fruits. Look, this is an apple. Here is a banana. Bananas are yellow and long. Fruits are so tasty and healthy. They give us energy and make us strong. Wow! A strawberry. Strawberries are red with tiny little seeds. They are sweet and juicy. Look at the grapes. Grapes are purple and round. They grow in bunches. Pop them in your mouth, so tasty. This is a slice of watermelon. Watermelon is full of water and keeps us cool in summer. Here is a kiwi. It has tiny black seeds. Kiwi is super yummy and full of vitamins. Look at these cherries. Cherries are small, round, and red. They have a tiny seed inside. Cherries are sweet and juicy. This is an orange slice. They are juicy and full of vitamin C. They keep us strong. Now let's color the fruits. Let's color the apple. We use red for the apple. Wow! It looks so bright and yummy. Now the banana. Let's color it yellow. So bright and cheerful. Next, the strawberry. Let's color it red with little black dots for the seeds. So cute. Let's color the grapes. Purple grapes look so cute. Now the watermelon slice. Red inside, green outside, and tiny black seeds. Perfect. Time for the kiwi. Brown outside, green inside, and little black seeds. Looks amazing. Now let's color the cherries. Red and shiny. So pretty. Finally, the orange slice. Let's color it bright orange. Looks delicious. Wow, all the fruits look so colorful and beautiful. You did a great job. Keep drawing and coloring. See you next time.